Many people think that a movie script is just a full essay that describes what the movie is all about. How the actors should act, what type of music should be played in the background as the actors speak, or how the camera should move as they run or cry. What people don't know is that a script isn't just a creative storyline, but it's a text that is strictly formatted with its own rules that has to be understood by the actors, directors, commission editors, and producers. Any outsider who reads a script never understands what in the world is going on until a writer actually comes and explains it to him. Therefore, in order to write a script, you need to know its rules, outline, formats, and layout in order to help your creative ideas be understood by the filmmakers who will produce your movie the right way. This course will teach you all step-by-step lessons on how to be a professional screenwriter, how to copyright your script, how to sell your script, how to break into the film industry, and how to film your movie. You can be the next Quentin Tarantino with all the secrets I'm letting out in this course.